Layla. Layla, come here. Where'd you get that stick? Where'd you get that stick? Whoa. You wouldn't be snorting and blowing if you didn't have a stick in your mouth. Who's a pretty girl? Layla is. Who's a pretty girl? Layla is. How are you today, Layla? You smiling? Do you see good? I'm giving kisses. Thank you. You're my sweet girl. My sweet girl. Yes, she is. What's in your eye? What's in your eye? Some eye boogers, huh?